Yo, what's up guys, since I'm X7 here today, we're going to be doing another bird nest update. I'm sorry there hasn't been a couple of videos. I'm very sorry about that. I was just a little bit busy with school, and I'm done with school now, so we are going to go check on the birds. And they could hatch like any day now, because we don't know when they popped up. My mom just randomly saw it, but I think we're in day 7 now of this. But I'm sorry, there's a couple breaks here and there. So we're gonna go check on them today if I can, get my shoes on. So there we go. And Lily, I think Lily will say hi. Hey Lily, do you want to say hi? Want to say hi? Okay, well, that's so. Hey Mom, I'm gonna go check on the birds.
Okay, can you make them with you?
Sure, if you want. So, someone's gonna come on with me.
You change your clothes?
Yes, I did. I'm wearing this. Right here. And maybe I might wear this like for for every bird update video I'm gonna be making. This is day 7 now, I think.
Your shorts are a little tiny on that.
I don't care.
No, I'm just saying, they're getting short on you.
So where's Dad?
Went golfing.
Oh, okay. So yeah. So it's day 7.
Is it?
Yeah. Of like the birds, Even though I've only done this is like my 3rd vlog, I guess, of it. So I'm gonna go check on them. Hopefully that how do we get? Am I okay right here? Alright.
Doesn't look like they're in there, do they?
What?
Yeah, there they are.
Okay. I think they just shifted a little bit.
Yeah, it smells like a mesh.
Well, no, I hope the birds are okay.
I can only see one egg. Can you get down there and take a picture?
No. Oh no, I hope the birds are okay.
Here's one.
Huh?
Here's one egg.
Careful.
Yeah.
Oh no. See if I can get
Shifted.
Wait.
I only see one egg though.
What do you think happens to the other eggs?
I can only see one egg. I'm not saying that there's more. That's all I see.
Wonder where they went.
I don't know.
But these are tiny, tiny eggs. Wonder if it's a tiny bird. Careful. Wait,
I
I'm
was just
thinking.
gonna reach down there and take a picture so we could see it a little better.
Wait, but I'm making the video.
Oh.
I wonder where the other eggs went. Hopefully they're not cracked.
Yep, not.
So they might hatch any day now, so careful, Mom.
I'm just trying to get down there and look a little better. Yeah.
Hopefully the 2 eggs are not cracked. The other 2 eggs, I should say. Or how many eggs that fell. Hopefully, I think, remember that storm we had yesterday? Probably it's from that. Hopefully they're not cracked, so at least 2 of them are fine. Oh, it's a robin. Wait, it's carrying a worm.
Where?
You see it?
No,
I thought I saw it carrying a worm.
I don't see a rabbit.
No, I said
Oh, I
robin.
thought you said rabbit.
I said robin. I thought I saw it like carrying a worm. Yeah. And those are definitely not its eggs, because robin eggs are blue. That's for sure. So it's either a cardinal, a woodpecker. Wait, no, not woodpecker. It's either a cardinal.
Could be a blue jay around.
I don't know if it's a blue jay. It could be. I think it's a cardinal. I think we're gonna be expecting cardinals.
What?
I just saw something.
What?
I think I saw Chippy. Chippy, is that you? Chippy. Chippy, the chipmunk. I definitely saw like a little tail, so. Oh, that's it for this vlog. Ish. Okay. Yay. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I'm sorry there was a big break between the others, but I'm gonna make more. Okay, I'm gonna make another one tomorrow. I'm gonna make another video today, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be wearing this shirt every single time we do a bird update. And me and Lily will see you in the next video. Goodbye.